Hello everyone, I am Dharna Sachwan. Welcome to my YouTube channel Impact English. Still we are continuing with active and passive voice. We won't complete this topic in a day. We will do it tense wise. That will be useful for you to understand the structure that how to change into passive voice. So let's start. Present perfect tense. See here. He has kicked the ball. Now the structure will be how to change subject, helping verb, been, verb's third form, then object. Now see here, he has kicked the ball. In active voice, that while changing active voice into passive voice, subject becomes object and object becomes subject. Now here, the ball, it's an object, it will be here subject. The ball, and according to the subject we use helping verb. Singular thing is given, the ball has been kicked by, and he will be changed into him. See another example. She has washed the clothes. Now change it. Object, the clothes. Now it's a plural thing, so have. The clothes have been washed by, and she will be changed into her. Now we will learn about negative sentences. See example. She has not cleaned the room. Now the structure will be subject, helping verb, not, been, third form of the verb, and then object. Now see here, she has not cleaned the room. So the room, helping verb, has not been, verb's third form, cleaned by, and this she will be changed into her. Next, he has not completed the work. Now the work has not been completed by, and he will be changed into him. Now interrogative sentences. As we know, it starts with helping verb and ends with question mark. Now see, has he broken the glass? Now start with helping verb, subject, been, verb's third form, then object. Has he broken the glass? Now this helping verb, it will be changed according to the subject. So here the glass is given, means it's a singular thing. So has, then subject, has the glass been broken by, and he will be changed into him. After that question mark. See, has he stolen my purse? How to change? Has my purse been stolen by, and he will be changed into him. Here I have written some examples of present perfect tense to change into passive voice. I have written a book. She has washed the car. Has he stolen my pen? They have eaten fruits. He has not completed the work. Do practice at home these sentences. As we know that there are three tense: present, past and future. See here, each tense has four parts: simple present, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous. Till we have learnt about these three tenses, that how to change into passive voice. But this present perfect continuous tense, it doesn't change into passive voice. So this present tense topic has been completed. In the next class, we will start our past simple past tense, past continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous. So today I end my session here and thank you for watching the video.